Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Geeta's UPSC Corner. So friends, in this video we will be learning one-liners, physics one-liners for SSC chsl. Okay, so let's get started. So the first question, blades of a windmill possess dash. They are turned by a fast wind. So windmill possess potential energy. Okay, so the windmill possess potential energy which will turn the blades in case of wind. Okay. The next question is, a dark-skinned man experiences dash as compared to a fair-skinned man. So this dark-skinned man experiences less heat, okay, and less cold due to the presence of pigment called melanin. Okay. So this melanin pigment will protect the skin from heat and cold. Okay. And the next question is, which device is used to break and complete an electronic circuit? And the correct answer is switch. Okay. And what is the temperature at both the Fahrenheit and the centigrade scales will have the same value? The answer is minus 40 degrees. At minus 40 degrees, the both Fahrenheit and centigrade scales will have the same value. Okay. And the next question is, acceleration act always in the direction of the dash. Acceleration acts always in the direction of the dash. So acceleration acts always in the direction of the net force. Okay. And the next one is the principle used in working of an atom bomb. Atom bomb. So it is nuclear fission. Okay. Nuclear fission is different and nuclear fusion is different. Okay. So, and the next question is, what is the unit of used to measure the depth of sea? So the sea depth is used to measure by a unit called fathom. Okay. This fathom is used to measure the depth of the sea. And the next question is, astigmatism can be corrected by. So astigmatism will be corrected by cylindrical lens. Cylindrical lenses. Okay. Lambert's law. Lambert's law is related to dash. Is related to illumination. So in a battery, which energy is converted into electrical energy? Electrical energy. So the chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy. In batteries, we will be having H2SO4. Okay. Sulfuric acid, we will be having sulfuric acid. So these chemicals will be converted into electrical energy. Okay. And the next question is, the longitudinal mechanical waves of less than 20 Hz are called. So these waves are called infrasonic waves. Okay. Distance of stars are measured in light years. So Albert Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for what? So for photoelectric effect, Albert Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize. And the next question is, electric motor converts the electrical energy into dash. So electrical energy can be converted into mechanical energy in terms of motor. Okay. And the next question is, Robert Koch has invented the dash. So he has invented electron microscope. Okay. This electron microscope was invented by Robert Koch. Force of attraction between the molecules of different substances is called adhesive force. We also know adhesive gum. Okay, this gum will attract two different items. Okay, so adhesive force will have force of attraction between the molecules of different substances. Okay, and the next question is, electrons in good conductors are, they are loosely bound. Okay, electrons in good conductors are loosely bound. If a bar magnet is cut lengthwise into 3 parts, what will be the total number of holes? If a bar magnet was cut into 3 parts, this is one part, this is one part, and this is one part. So we will be having here north, here south, again here north, here south, here north, and here south. You will be having like this. Okay, so this is one magnet, this is one magnet, and this is one magnet. So for a magnet, we will be having one north pole and one south pole. Okay, again we will be having here north pole. We will be having here south pole. Again we will be having here north pole. We will be having here south pole. Okay. Then, if the body is hollow, then its center of gravity lies obviously on the outside of the material. Okay. If the temperature inside a room is increased, then the relative humidity will decreases. In summer, the mirages are seen due to the phenomenon of, is due to TIR, this total internal reflection. In the visible spectrum, which color has the longest wavelength? So the red color will be having the longest wavelength. Okay, it is Vibgyor. I violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay. This violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So the red will be having longest wavelength. So this here we will be having infrared waves. Here we will be having UV rays. After that, Vibgyor. After Vibgyor, we will be having infrared waves. Okay. And the next question is, insects can move on the surface of water without sinking due to dash. It is due to surface tension of water. Okay. And the next question is, the laws of electrolysis was proposed by Faraday. So we will be calling it like Faraday's laws of electrolysis. Okay. Next, light travels in a dash. So always light travels in a straight line. What is used as cooling agent in most of the world's commercial nuclear power plants? So in the nuclear power plants, cooling agent will be water. Nature of sound waves is longitudinal. So a question for you, nature of light wave. Nature of light wave is what? Please do comment in the comment section. Okay. And the next question is, 1 Fermi unit is equal to dash. So it is like minus 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. Okay. Fermi unit is equal to ten to the power of minus 15. So it is not minus 10 to the power of minus 15, but it is 10 to the power of minus 15. Okay. How many basic SI units are there? So there are about 7 SI units. What is the principle on which a transformer works? So transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. The distance between the Earth and Sun is termed as 1 astronomical unit. Okay. So distance between Earth and Sun will be 1 astronomical unit. So potential energy of your body is minimum when you lie down on the ground. Okay. What is the freezing point of pure water? It is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the unit of measurement of an angle? So we will be having radian as unit for the measurement of an angle. Radio waves of constant amplitude can be generated with an oscillator. Okay. Hooke's law is related to elasticity. Sudden fall in barometer is indication of storm. Okay. Water moving up a straw is an example of, it is due to capillary action. Okay. So here if a sudden fall in barometer is an indication of storm, then what does a sudden rise in barometer? What indicates sudden rise in barometer? So sudden rise in barometer indicates flow of air. Okay. So sudden rise of high atmospheric pressure indicates level of mercury. If level of mercury is high, it indicates high atmospheric pressure. Okay. And the next question is, the blue color of the sky is due to dash. So it is due to dispersion of light. Okay. What is the magnetic field's direction within a magnet? So in the magnet, a magnetic field direction is always from south to north. Okay. From south to north, a magnetic field direction will be there, not from north to south. The experiment demonstrating the existence of electromagnetic wave was first conducted by Heinrich Hertz. Okay. He was the one who first conducted existence of electromagnetic waves. Okay. The filament string in electric bulb is made up of which metal? It is tungsten. Okay. Tungsten is a filament which will be there in electric bulb. Okay, this tungsten, it was denoted by the letter W. Okay, W is the letter symbol, chemical element symbol for tungsten. Okay, so the next question is, drag is the dash force exerted by fluids. So drag is the force exerted by fluids. It is frictional force. Okay. And the next question is, the hydraulic brake used in the automobiles is a direct application of, it is a Pascal's law. And the image formed by a convex lens in a simple microscopic is visual and erect. What kind of mirror is used in motor vehicles near the driver's seat? So if we see in cars, automobiles, bikes, etc., etc., we will be having mirrors. So in those mirrors, we will be using convex mirrors. Okay. Convex mirrors are those mirrors used in motor vehicles near the driver's seat. Okay. Dash and dash are present in the nucleus of an atom. So we will be having neutrons and protons. Okay. Around the nucleus, we will be having positively and negatively charged particles called electrons and protons. Okay. Within the nucleus, we'll be having neutrons and protons. So around the nucleus, we will be having electrons. Electrons are negatively charged. Protons are positively charged. Whereas neutrons are neutrally charged. Okay. From the moon's surface, astronauts see a black sky. This is because of absence of atmosphere on moon. Okay. The specific resistance of a wire with varies with dash. So specific resistance of a wire varies with its material. Okay. The speed of a light will be decreased with the rise in the temperature of the medium. Is it true or false? So this is a false statement. So the speed of light will be decreased within the rise of the temperature of the medium is wrong, and it remains unchanged. This will not decrease, but it remains constant. Okay. So this statement is wrong. What is the strongest force in the nature? So the strongest force in the nature is nuclear force. And next question, which device is used to measure the temperature of the sun? So this is most important question. So here pyrometer. Pyro means heat. So pyrometer. Pyrometer is the one which is used to measure the temperature of the sun. Okay. Which phenomenon occurs when light passes from denser medium to rarer medium? So it is due to TIR. Okay. Total internal reflection. Which substances do not allow flow of charge through them? So insulators. Insulators are those which does not allow flow of charge through them. For example, examples of insulators are, as you can know, insulators are those which do not allow flow of charge through them. Those are like wood. As we see in cooking, if we use a wooden wooden like thing for cooking, wooden spoon or wooden uh, what do we call that? in Telugu we call it is garita. Okay. I don't know what we will be calling in English. So we will be wooden handlers. I used to call that handler. Example are wood, plastic. And also glass, rubber. Okay. So these are the things which do not allow the flow of charge through them. Okay. The next question is the value of which quantity remains the same in all systems of unity. So it is specific gravity. The specific gravity value remains same in all systems of units. Okay. Because specific gravity will not be having specific gravity will not be having any unit. So it is its quantity and the value remains same. Okay. The value of the quantity remains same in specific gravity. Okay. And the next question is, what is the speed of sound in air? So the speed of sound in air is 332 meters per second. The working of quartz crystal in the watch is based on which effect? It is based on piezoelectric effect. Permanent magnets are made of. It is made of steel. During a fog, the visibility is reduced. This is because of the scattering of light. Okay. Weightlessness experienced in a spaceship is due to absence of gravity. So if we go to space, we will be having no gravity. Okay. Which device is used to find submerged objects? So sonar. Sonar is used to find submerged objects. What converts the alternating current into direct current? So the instrument which converts alternating current into direct current is rectifier. Okay. Which element is used as a moderator in nuclear reactors? So graphite is used as moderator in nuclear reactors. And which device converts light energy into electric energy? So it is photoelectric cell. And the unit of power of lens is called diopter. What is the unit of radioactivity? It is Curie and Becquerel. Okay. An object has to attain velocity of dash to escape from Earth's atmosphere. So velocity of an object to escape from Earth's atmosphere is 11.2 kilometer per second. So unit of length of light waves is angstrom. A short duration of wave is known as pulse. When did Einstein propose that matter can be converted into energy? It is in 1905. And SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. And the unit of magnetic flux is Maxwell. Unit of specific resistance is ohm meter. Ohm meter. The wavelength of visible spectrum ranges from 390 to 700 nanometers. And washing machine works on the principle of centrifugation. When a ball is thrown upward, what happens to acceleration? It remains constant. Modifying glass is made up of which type of lens? Convex. What color will a red glass appear if it is heated in a dark room? It is green. What happens to the surface tension of water when a detergent is added to it? It decreases. The value of G is maximum at poles, minimum at equator. And the instrument used to measure altitudes in aircrafts is altimeter. And the instrument used to measure change in volume of substance is dialtometer. Which instrument is used to measure a depth of ocean? It is fathometer. The power of electric circuit is wattmeter. And the instrument used to measure the scattering of light by particles suspended in a liquid is nephelometer. Okay. If we take steel and rubber, the one which is more elastic is steel, not rubber. Okay. What is an only natural magnet? It is magnetite. And the principle used in designing of ships and submarines is Archimedes principle. And nuclear fissions are initiated by neutrons. The wire in an electric heater is made up of nichrome, that is nickel and chromium. During sonography, which types of waves are used? It is ultrasonic waves. So the diode bulb was discovered by Fleming. Who was the first one to give experimental value of G? He was Cavendish. He might be Henry Cavendish, who had showed that electric and magnetic waves are equal in vacuum. It was Maxwell. What is the escape velocity of moon? It was 2.38 km per second. What does a liquid drop tend to assume a spherical shape? To minimize surface tension. Resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area. So these are the questions, one-liners, the most important one-liners useful for SSC CHSL exam and SSC MTS, EPFO SSCA, and the upcoming exams, bank exams and everything. So I hope you all like this session. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. So please keep supporting me. And I hope you all like the section. You all like the session, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Please do like, share, and comment to my YouTube channel, Geeta's UPSC. Thank you so much.